And right. Georgia line shortly ahead. I give my bike lane over to the speed bumps. Anyway, there it is again. Sunshine State. We hadn't had much sunshine today in Florida. Welcome. We're glad Georgia is on your mind. Love it. Glad to be in Georgia. I tell you, you know, Florida is a wonderful state, and but I think the clarion call has always been it's a nice place to visit, but you don't want to live there. It's just too hot when it's in the summertime to stay there forever. Key West, they're talking about temperatures go up to triple digits, and camping out's problematic because of all the palmettos and the underbrush and the scrap, you know, density of population. It's hard to beat the sunny south, the rest of the sunny south. And we're going to have a few hills in Georgia, but I'm looking at the Navigator, and it says my total rise to Atlanta is about 1,000 feet. That's really not a lot. That could be a one-day climb on the Appalachian Trail. Yeah, it is a lot of times. All right, we're there. Georgia on my mind. I got Georgia on my mind.